In the last episode, we showed you how Minwax red oak stain looks on wood, and that's a very nice look. So that way you have an idea what you're getting into. So let's apply. In this space here, I taped off the sections so we could try different colors. Let's try some Gunstock stain. This is Minwax Gunstock stain, and it's got a nice reddish color to it. So let's show you this so you know what you have prior to purchase. I'll just shake it up some. This is a brand new can. This is a very easy process, really. Some people can be overwhelmed when they try out stains for the first time. They're not sure what they're gonna get, how to apply, even though instructions are out there. So this should be helpful to you so you see. You might wanna use gloves when you're working with stains, because they do stain, and these are oil-based. But really it's a simple process. What you do is you take a towel, or you could use a brush, or any other type of sponge applicator or whatnot, and shake up your can. Like, I could have shaked it up a little bit more, but look at that reddish hue. So we're gonna show you. You dip it in. Longer you leave the stain, we're gonna do it on this block here. The longer you leave the stain, the darker and richer the color. Now, like I mentioned before, depending on different woods, you may get different results. Some people like to precondition the wood, because what happens is the fibers, there's variations. So there's deeper pockets, crevices where the grain will accept more stain than in other places. So in certain applications with certain woods, particularly things like pine, although not limited to pine, you'll get a lot of, you'll get some possibility of blotchiness, as they call it. But I kind of embrace what the wood will do, for the most part, depending on the project. Let's remove the tape here. So here we have our Gunstock. That's how Gunstock looks. Look how rich. So these are the two colors thus far. For the next episode, we're gonna try Colonial Maple. So check out that next episode.